What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I want to show you another Pinescript that can automate your trading business on TradingView. By the way, if you are interested in this script, click on the link below and you will find a bundle of 4 different setups that are all usable on TradingView and highly profitable. I would say let's have a look into the script and then I can explain you the strategy. When you have loaded the script into the Pine editor, then you can save it and click on Add to Chart. If you have added it, then your chart will look like this. This strategy is based on the moving average exponential and the RSI indicator. This is the reason why it is called 15 EMA with RSI. Let's have a look into the rules for the setup. You can already see all the trades that the script would have been generated. So this is perfectly to automate your trading business. For example, if you connect it with Pionix or something else, then you can not even get some signals, then you can also automate your trading business. We will enter a long trade if the closing price of the candle is above the EMA and the RSI value is above the overbought value. This is here the case. You can see the price is closing above and we are entering a long trade. The same applies here and here and here. For the exit conditions, the rules are the following. We can define our own stop loss when we go into the input section. You can see that the stop loss percentage is standard as 0.5%. This worked perfectly for me, but you can adjust it wherever you like. The same as with the take profit. Here it is standard with 3.5% of our entry price. And to minimize our loss, we have a trading stop loss, which is at 1%. The trading stop loss will move higher and higher if our market is coming into our direction and the current price is more than 1% away from the entry stop loss level. So this is the moment where the trading stop loss will get more and more into our direction. So now you have seen all the input parameters. These are the 3 most important. You can also change the EMA length if you like. You can also change the RSI length and also the RSI overbought level. So you can experiment with these parameters however you like. And then you can choose which works best for you and your current setting. Maybe you want to choose another market, another time frame, whatever. In our case today, we leave it like it is. We use the standard parameters and we will trade at the Ethereum US dollar market. And we will test it in the 1 hour time frame for the beginning. So when we do this, let's move this one up. We will do a deep back testing, which means that we will generate, or that we want to have the most exact data that we can get. So we are starting at the first possible date where we get the data from. In this case, it is October 2017. And we will run it until today. Then we will change it into the 1 hour time frame. Let's change the properties. You can see the initial capital is standard at $1 million. I think it is slightly high for almost everybody of us. So let's work with $1,000. Then I personally like the percentage of equity. In my opinion, it is more precise, especially when it comes to our maximum drawdown data, as it is using the exact equity that we have at the moment of our trades. So we are using the percentage of equity, and let's start with maybe 25% of our equity, and let's see how this is working. And here you can see that we have a maximum drawdown of only 12.89% of our capital that we have. But on the other hand, we had a profit of 2,958%. So in this case, we would have turned $1,000 into almost $30,000 within 6 years. So maybe we can change the parameters a little bit and let's see how our maximum drawdown is working. So when we change this, I change it just by 1 day to be able to generate a new report. Let's wait a second and then we can see the result over here, and boom, you see we have a maximum drawdown now of 20%, but on the other hand, we had a net profit of $221,000 within the 6 years. So from $1,000 we had $220,000 net profit, which is quite amazing in my opinion. So we can change it into maybe the 4-hour time frame. We generate another report and see how it is working here. And we have again a very good outcome of the performance. But you see here in this case in the Ethereum market, the 1-hour time frame is more lucrative. Let's check it now for the Bitcoin US dollar, because here it is working as well. We are again in the 4-hour time frame. Let's see how it works here. Here we have $30,000 net profit, but also our drawdown is way more less, so we can go and increase our equity even more. And at the Bitcoin, we have more data available, so let's do it exactly for this. We do our maximum data that we can. And as you can see now, within these 6 years in Bitcoin, we had a maximum drawdown of 15.4% and a net profit of $630,000, which is quite amazing. And within the 6 years, we had a total trade of almost 5,000 trades in total, to be exact, 4,766. So yeah, in my opinion, this script is very lucrative. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you haven't done so far, like and subscribe to my channel. And then we will see us again tomorrow with the third Pinescript of the bundle that you can find in the link below. See you soon.